What if the phone you trust with your most personal data is actually working against you? I spent a week testing the Samsung S26 Ultra, and what I uncovered isn't just creepy, it's alarming. AI features designed to keep you safe might be quietly exposing you in ways you don't even realize. Samsung's new privacy mode promises to lock down your data with just a swipe. But does it really? I put it through its paces, testing how well it blocks facial recognition, biometric leaks, and even AI snooping. Spoiler, some of these privacy features, it's learning your habits, recognizing faces in real time. And
your phone isn't just a device anymore, it's a smart hub for your entire life. But when that same phone syncs with your smart home, your security camera, or even your car, it turns into a potential backdoor. I tested the Samsung S26 Ultra to see how its deep integration with other smart devices could expose you in ways you never expected. Privacy mode on the S26 Ultra isn't just about locking your screen, it's a complex system that balances convenience with hidden risks. I sat down with cybersecurity experts to break down how Samsung's latest features could be exploiting your trust, all while promising to protect.
I tested the Samsung S26 Ultra to see how its deep integration with other smart devices could expose you in ways you never